Another speed-up improvement that you can make to your Access database is by bringing it into a modern file format. You'll notice here that the default database file format is Access 2000. Although that's a good file format and it's a lot better than 97 was, they've made significant improvements to the way data is processed in Access 2003. The way it's compiled and decompiled, and the number of errors that happen in the back end due to conflicting applications. It's always a good idea to make sure you have as few applications running as possible, but Access 2003 file format, or the 2002-2003 file format, is far more efficient than 2000. Here's the downside. If you're going to be sharing information with anybody else, you need to make sure that you set it for compatibility rather than sheer efficiency. The reason that the default file format is Access 2000 is to keep the ability to share your database and your database elements with as many people as possible. Only those people running the newest version of Office are going to be able to utilize your database if you update your database file format to 2003. That said, if you're creating a database for your own use, go for it. If you're creating a database for a small business where it's going to be an enclosed environment, go for it. And here's what we're going for. If you go up to the Tools menu, down to Options, and we'll click the Advanced tab, you'll see here the default file format is set to Access 2000. You can drop that down and set it to Access 2002-2003, and at that point, the underlying code and the way the program gets compiled is much more efficient.